that you'll share with me your hopes and all your dreams. I wanna know, 'cause baby, I love you for loving me.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Henry, and I am back with another video. Hey, I got a cooking vlog for you today. I'm gonna fry some chicken and macaroni and cheese and some potato salad for me and JB. Tell him what's up, JB. Say hey. Say hello. Alright. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna fry some chicken, but I ain't gonna fry it the normal way. I'm gonna fry it in grease. I'm just not gonna make no batter. And I learned this from a neighbor, old school, rest in peace, Daddy J, from Louisiana. He used to fry his chicken and didn't put no batter on it because he always said that ruins the grease. And that chicken was the bomb, I promise you, man. If anybody from the hood remember Mr. J cooking that chicken, frying that chicken, y'all know what it is. No batter, just straight seasoning and dropping in the grease. So right now, I got this stuff on the stove right here. I got the mac and cheese going right there. See that? I got the eggs and potatoes, real small, for me and JB. I got the grease already getting hot for the chicken. And I already seasoned the chicken, drumsticks and thighs. So yeah, that's how that's gonna go. And once that grease get hot, I'm gonna drop it in and y'all gonna be with me. I'm gonna set this camera up somewhere where you can see it play by play. So yeah. See, I was getting everything together. Put the butter inside the macaroni with the milk, the 2% milk. Got the potatoes and stuff still boiling. I got my grease hot. I'm gonna start dropping this up in there. So just go take it and go drop it in here. Oh, you're not getting me. Oh yeah. There you go. I'm gonna drop a couple of them in there like that. Some drumsticks. These tongue dry. Put in the dishwasher. So rinse them out. There we go. And probably not gonna take them about 10 minutes. Take this cheese and drop it on this mac and cheese. Give it a little stir. Yep. Bless you, JB. Yes, indeed. And we're gonna just go sit here and wait. While the chicken's cooking, I'm gonna start let y'all see what it started to look like so far. Got the chicken in there cooking. Got the mac and cheese right here. We got the potatoes and eggs still boiling. Now with my chicken, I did use black pepper. I used some cayenne pepper right there, some onion powder, and some Tony Saffron Creole seasoning. So that's all I put on my chicken. But remember, I did not use batter, so man, that seasoning is gonna be really nice on there. Y'all look at that. I'm gonna let it cook for a little while, and yeah, I'll be right back. Woo, listen to that fry, y'all. That sounds so good. I still got these to do, y'all. The mac and cheese is done. Look at that. Oh my God, it looks so delicious. And yeah. Gonna get ready to make this potato salad. I peel these potatoes, these eggs. I put sweet radish, egg, mustard and mayo, a little sugar. That's all it needs. And me and JB gonna have us a meal, a lunch. Y'all might not get this video till later on tonight, but hey, this is lunchtime for us, so that's what we gonna do. And as soon as this chicken, I get ready to put the next batch in, I'll come back to y'all. Alright guys, I'm back. Was gone for a minute. You can't tell, but I had a mishap. I only had 3 potatoes and 3 eggs, which would have been good enough for me and JB or whatever. But when I peeled the potatoes, I freaking dropped one of the potatoes in the garbage disposal. Didn't realize it and turned it on with the other potato peelers or whatever. So I got my potato salad a little watery. Don't judge me. I really can make potato salad, so I'm gonna let you look at it right now. I put it in the freezer so it get kind of stiff or whatever, but you be the judge of it. Check it out. Anyway, it's getting a little stiff. It still tastes the same, but it don't have that consistency of the thickness of it, potato salad. That's why I put it in the freezer so it can gel together or whatever. But it's not just like water, okay? So I got the rest of the chicken right here, frying. I still got a couple more thighs, and that is what the finished product of the legs look like. So, I mean, it's looking pretty good. I know it's gonna taste good. I always do it. So, comment down below if you ever fried chicken without the batter. Just put it in the grease with the seasoning and just let it go. Cause that is, I mean, you don't have all that freaking mess at the bottom of your pan. Even though I love batter on my chicken, Popeyes or whatever. But hey, sometimes I might want to eat it a different way. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I did it. Let's try to look at this macaroni and cheese. And I'm not a macaroni and cheese fan, but that looks pretty good. So when I get ready to eat, and hopefully JB woke, we're gonna let y'all see our meal. For 1 second. Alright guys, I finished. This is the finished product right here. JB in there with Vanessa playing, so I ain't got time to be playing with him. I'm finna go finish this video for y'all. And I'm gonna get a little taste test. Got my little hot sauce right here. Gotta have that hot sauce. And let's see what it tastes like. Cooked all the way, y'all. Look at that. It is delicious. Delicious. Anyway, chicken fried with no batter. It's pretty good. No mess. Y'all want to see more cooking vlogs? Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and you get all the videos. Till next time, peace.